In this video, we will show you how to change language in Chrome web browser. Okay, for example, you have web browser and you can see the default menu and language in here using English. If you want to change to another, you can just click these three icons, okay, and select settings, choose settings here, and you can select language. You can see there is two options. First, the language for translating the page if you open the websites, and the second, the Chrome language also itself. And to change the language, you can just click add language. For example, you need to using Japan language. Okay, just select Japanese and click add. After you click add Japanese, just click these three dot icons on the Japanese and select display Chrome in this language, and we can relaunch the Chrome. Now you can see, make sure you understand here, and this is your current language using Japanese. And to choose the another language, you can also add the language here, but be careful. If you change into a language that you don't understand, you must remember this position of the language menu, so you can set back into the English, for example, like this. Okay, we can click relaunch, and that's all. Tutorial how to change the language in Chrome web browser. You can go to language and you can add the language that you want to change into your browser and select the language and display Chrome in this language. Now you can relaunch, and that's all how you can change the language in Chrome web browser. Hope this video helpful for you, and if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.